Hello students, I am your master Samanto. Hope you are all well. Today we are going to start LCM Self Practice 7A from the chapter Fraction, and this is the second class of this self practice. Okay, from question number 4 we will start. Okay, question number 4 we have done yesterday. Okay, 2 questions left we will do. Okay, you can do this in another way also. Okay, see. Write the equivalent fractions for the following. A 3/4 numerator 18. That means required fraction whose numerator will be 18. Equivalent fraction 3/4 equivalent means it will be equal. Okay, 3/4. So which fraction will be equal with 3/4 and numerator will be 18. Numerator will be 18. What is the fraction? Okay, so my dear students, we have already learned that we can multiply or divide a fraction by a same number to the numerator and denominator to find equivalent fraction. So look here, so by which number you multiply here and you will get 18? Obviously by 6. So you have to multiply here this number also by 6. So what you will get? 24. So 24 is the answer. So in this way you can solve it. Is it clear, my dear student? So here 3/4 and 18/24 are the equivalent fractions. Is it clear? Okay. Now see here 32/56. Okay. So here you have to find the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means you can write equal. Okay. So 32/56 is equal with which fraction whose denominator 14? Whose denominator 14? Let's check. Here 56, but here 14. How it is 14? That means here you are dividing. Okay, you are dividing. By which number you are dividing? You can check in this way also. By 4. By 4 you are dividing. So divide by 4. If you divide 56, okay, by 4 you will get 14. So the same, by the same number you have to divide. By 4 you have to divide here 32. So what you will get? 8. So answer will be 8/14. Okay, so you can do this in this method also. Okay. Okay, next question number 5. Write 5 equivalent fractions for the following. Please remember that you can get so many equivalent fractions, okay, of a given fraction. Okay, so here what is the given fraction? 20/55. You have to find 5 equivalent fraction. Okay, and what we have learned? That we have learned that to find equivalent fraction we can multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by same number. Okay, let's see the method what we will use. Look, 20 and 55. So you can multiply both numerator denominator by 2 by same number. Okay, so it becomes the equivalent fraction. Okay, so you can multiply by 3 also. 55. Next, first write the fraction. First write the fraction. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 5. Now here you can choose any number. Any number. I have taken 2, 3, 4, here 5, here 6. Okay, you can take here 10, you can take here 20, you can take here 30, you can take here 100, no problem, you can take any. Okay, so what will be? 40 by here 110, 60 by 5, here 165, 80 by 0, 220, and 100 by 5, and here 7, and here 120 by 0 and 330. Okay, so write here for 5 equivalent fractions. Okay, are 20/55 are, look, this 40/110, next comma, next comma, next comma, and here all are equivalent fraction, and here look they are equal also. Is it clear? So easy. Okay. Okay, next D 72/300. Same method. 72 by 300 into 2 into 2, 72 by 300 into 3 into 3, 72 by 300 into 4 into 4, 72 by 300. First write the fraction, then choose the same number. Okay, so you can take here 72 by 300 into 10 by 10. So 720 300. So you can take also, this is also equivalent fraction of 72 by 300. Okay, so take this and then multiply and then write the conclusion. 5 equivalent fractions of 72 by 300 are this comma, write using the commas. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Okay, now question number 6. Compare the fractions using greater or less or equal. Okay, that means you have to find the order, which is greater, which is less, you have to see it. Okay, so look here, 4 by 7, 6 by 7. Look, denominators are same. And here in question number B, 1 by 8, 1 by 12, here numerators are same. Okay, so first we will see if the numerator or the denominator are same, what is the rule? Okay, look, see here first. If denominator same, when you are comparing, please listen it. This will help when you find ascending order or descending order. Okay, this will also help here. So listen here. If denominator same, smaller numerator will be the smaller fraction, larger numerator will be the larger fraction. Is it clear? If the denominator same, okay, so what it will be? Smaller denominator will be smaller fraction, larger denominator will be larger fraction. See here, look, which is same here? Denominator same. Look here, 7 and here also same. Both denominators are same. Okay, so now what we will see? Numerator. Here, what is the numerator? 4. What is the numerator? 6. And what we have learned? Smaller numerator, smaller fraction. That means obviously it is smaller. Okay, so it will be less than 4 is less than 6. Okay, and I already told yesterday in another way also that this is out of 7 part 4 part, and here out of 7 part 6 parts. Obviously it will be more and it will be less. You can think in this way also. Okay, now here, look here, what is same? Numerator same. Okay, if numerator same, what is the rule? That smaller denominator is larger fraction, just opposite. Smaller denominator, larger fraction, and larger denominator, smaller fraction. Look here, 8 is smaller than 12, then this fraction 1 by 8 will be greater. Please keep in your mind. Okay, so you can memorize this, or you can think in this way that it is 1 part among 8 part, it is 1 part among 12 part. Obviously it will be more. Okay, but for your quickest calculation, you just keep in your mind that if denominator same, okay, the smaller will be smaller fraction. Okay, and if numerator same, then that's the opposite. Okay, hope you understand. Next, E, 2 by 9 dash 1 by 4. So when you compare, have you seen here same numerator, same denominator? No, here different denominator, different numerator. Okay, so what is the rule here? Listen very carefully. Okay, why? Because we will apply this method when we will do we will arrange in ascending order, descending order. Okay, see, if the numerators and denominators different, what we will do? Okay, so what are the fractions? 2 by 9, 1 by 2 by 9, and here 1 by 4. Okay, so what are the denominators? Here 9, here 4. Okay, so first we will find the LCM of 4 and 9. First what we will do? LCM of 4 and 9. Okay, so look, 4 and 9 have any common factor? No common factor. Okay, so that means by 1, so LCM is equal to 9 into 4 is equal to 36. So what is the rule? First step, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. Is it clear? Okay, now what we will do? Now we will make these fractions. Okay, we will find the equivalent fractions of these given fractions whose denominator will be the LCM. Whose denominator will be the LCM. Okay, so here 2 by 9 we will make it, we will find the equivalent fraction whose denominator will be 36. So my dear student, by which number you multiply 4, you multiply 9 and you will get 36? Obviously by 4. Okay, if you multiply here to the denominator 4, you have to multiply the numerator also by 4, by same number. Okay, so what it will be? 8 by 36. 8 by 36. And here my dear student, first write in this way. First write the fraction. Okay, now by which number you multiply with 4 and you will get 36? By which number you multiply with 4 and you will get 36? Obviously by 9. So by 9 to the denominator and same number to the numerator. So it will be 9 by 36. Okay, here now see. Okay, these and these are same. Now we will compare to the equivalent fractions. 8 by 36, 9 by 36. Look, denominator same. That means just you have learned numerator greater, that will be the greater fraction. Okay, so 2 by 9, that means 8 by 36. So obviously this means 8 is smaller, so it is smaller. 8 is smaller than 9, so it will be smaller. Is it clear? Okay. Okay students, now come to question number F. 43 by 12 dash 7 by 7. Okay, so without calculation we can do it. Look, last day I have told improper fraction are always greater than 1. Okay, and 7 by 7 means what? 1. 7 by 7 means what? 1. Okay, this is improper fraction, so obviously it is more than 1 and it is 1. That means what it will be? It will be obviously greater. Is it clear? So why? Since improper fractions are more than 1. Okay, so this fraction 43 by 12 is more than 1. More means greater. Okay, otherwise what you can think, just change it into improper, just change it into mixed number. What it will be? It will be 3 whole 7 by 12. Look, 36 plus 7, 43. Yes, look, it is more than 3. So this fraction is more than 3 and this is 1. So obviously it is greater. Okay, without calculation we can do it. Okay, now G, 7 by 14 is will be what? 1 by 5. Okay, so look here, denominator, numerator different. So what we will do? We will first do the LCM. We will do the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of the denominator, not the numerator. Okay, so 14 and here 5. So look here, there is no common factor. Okay, so just multiplication. LCM is equal to what? 14 into 5. That means 70. 70 is the LCM. So what we will do? We will find the equivalent fraction of 7 by 14 and 1 by 5 whose denominators will be equal with LCM. That means denominator will be 70. Okay, so my dear student, first write the fraction. First write the fraction. So by which number you multiply with 14 and it will be 70? 5. So it will be 35 by 70 and what it will be? It will be 14. Okay, because why? You have to make the denominator 70. Okay, so if you not make your concept clear about equivalent fraction, then you have to face problem here. Okay, so the previous concept make clear first. Okay, so it will be 14. Now see, here 35, here 14. So obviously it is greater. So greater than this. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Now come to question number 7. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. In ascending order. Very easy. Just follow the steps. Okay. So first step. First see it. These are the given fractions. Okay. Look here, 1 whole 2 by 15. Here 9 whole 8 by, it is 9 whole. Okay. 9 whole 8 by 15. Okay. First convert this mixed number to the improper fraction. Okay, so here what it will be? 5 ones are 5, 15 ones are 15 and 2 17. So it is 17 by 15, 8 by 15, because there is no problem, it is already given in improper. So 56 by 15, and here that is what we will do. If there is any mixed number, we will convert it into improper fraction. This is the first step. Okay, So what it will be here, 135, 9 into 15, 135 plus 8, so 143 by 15. You have already learned how to convert the mixed number to the improper fraction. Okay, just multiply first this, okay, whole number and the denominator, then add with numerator. Okay, now what we will see, look, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, that means all the denominators same. Okay, and what you have learned, that if denominator same, okay, the larger numerator will be the larger fraction and the smaller numerator will be smaller fraction. Ascending order means what? Smaller to larger. So first you have to find what is the smaller fraction. Okay, look here, first 8, then 17, then 56, then 100, then this. So first 8 by 15, okay, then 17 by 15, then 56 by 15, then 100 by 15, and then 143 by 15. Now therefore in ascending order we get, now right, in ascending order we get, so we will write 8 by 15, comma, look here 17 by 15, but in question it is given this, so you write, okay, this, okay, then 56 by 15, 100 by 15, and 1, this is given in this way. Okay, the given form you write here. This completes the solution. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, so first we will do, first convert the mix numeral to the improper fraction, then see the denominators are same, then the smaller numerator is the smaller fraction. In this way we have arranged it, and then write in ascending order we get this answer. Okay, question number B, 1 by 8, 1 by 15, 1 by 110, 1 by 53, 1 by 15, 1 by 8. So this is very easy, you already learned it, and I know some students will get the answer also. Look here, what is the same? Look, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all the numerators are same. Okay, just the previous question we have learned, okay, that from this chart we have learned that what, if numerator same, the larger will be smaller, the larger denominator will be the smaller fraction. There was 215 by mistake. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so first, which is the largest? This will be smallest fraction. After 110, 72, so 1 by 72, then 1 by 53, then 1 by 15, then 1 by 8. Look, the larger denominator is the smaller fraction. Okay, because you have to find the ascending order, first smaller number, then, okay, 1 by 72, like this. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, so hope you understand it. Okay, my dear students, now question number 8. Arrange the following fractions in descending order, that means larger to smaller. Okay, so B, these fractions are given. See here, look here, neither numerators are same nor denominators are same. Okay, so if the denominators or numerators are different, okay, so what is the rule, what is the process? Okay, see here. Okay, very easy. First step, what we will do, first we will do the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so this process you already learned for 2 fractions, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fractions, 5 fractions given, no problem. Okay, the process is same. Okay, look here, 6, 8, 16, 24, 32. These are the denominators. We will find the LCM of the denominators. So first by 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16. Next by 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8. By 2, 3, look, you cannot divide 3 by 2, that's why this 3 will be here. Next 1 2 3 4, next again by 2 3 1 1 3, and here 2. Now by 3 1 1 1 1 2. So what is LCM? LCM is equal to 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 5 5 3 and 1 3. So that means what? Look here 4, here 4 4 4 16 16 and here 6 96 is the LCM. So what we will do, we will find the equivalent fractions of these given fractions whose denominator will be 96. Is it clear? Okay, whose denominator will be 96. So my dear student, first write in this way. Okay, so 1 by 6. So first write the fraction 1 by 6. Now by which number you will multiply with 6 and you will get 96. You will get all the denominators will be 96. All the denominators will be 96. So by which number you multiply and you will get 96? Multiply with 6. So you can just divide 96 1 6 3 6 36. So 16. So if you multiply by 16, okay, by 6 you will get 96, and here you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply by 16 to the numerator also. So it will be 16 by 96. Now 8. So by which, by 8 and 96, look 1 8 1 6 2, that means 12. So by 12, so it will be what? 60 60 and here 96, here 16, so it will be by 6 16 6 and 96. Okay, so it will be what? Now 24 24 4s are 96. My dear student, if you can't count the table by in your mind, you can check here. Look here 24, look here 4 and here 4 here 4 and 6. If you take this 4 and if you take this 6, 24, so which is left? 4. That means you will multiply by 4. You can check this one, or you can just do the division. You can just do the division. Okay, so here 28, here 32. Okay, so 32, if you divide 96, what it will be? 3. Obviously it will be 3. So 3 and it will be 33. Okay, now descending order, that means which is the largest? Which is the largest? Look, denominator same, that means larger numerator. Where larger numerator? 78. Where? 78. So 78 by 96 is greater than 60. 60 by 96. Then after 60, 33. 33 by 96. Then 28. 28 by 96. After 28, it is 16. 16 by 96. So that's what the result. Okay. Okay. So first write this. Okay, you seeing this now in descending order we get. So this is not given in your question. 78 by 96. Okay, so 78 by 96 is equal to what? 13 by 16. So you have to write 13 by 16. Now 60 by 96. Why is 60 by 96? 60 by 96 is equal to 5 by 8. You have to write 5 by 8. 33 by 96. 33 by 96, that means 11 by 32. So similarly this for 7 by 24 and 16 by this means what? 1 by 6. You have to write up to this. Okay, up to the given fractions, not here with the equivalent fractions. Okay, so you have to write in up to this. Okay, so I hope that you have understood today's class. Okay, practice all and do the left sums. Okay, thank you. There was 215 by mistake. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so first, which is the largest? This will be smallest fraction. After 110, 72, so 1 by 72, then 1 by 53, then 1 by 15, then 1 by 8. Look, the larger denominator is the smaller fraction, okay, because you have to find the ascending order, first smaller number, then okay 1 by 72 like this. Is it clear, my dear student? Okay, so hope you understand it. Okay, my dear students, now question number 8. Arrange the following fractions in descending order, that means larger to smaller. Okay, so B, these fractions are given. See here, look here, neither numerators are same nor denominators are same. Okay, so if the denominators or numerators are different, okay, so what is the rule, what is the process? Okay, see here. Okay, very easy. First step, what we will do, first we will do the LCM of the denominators. Okay, so this process you already learned for 2 fractions, but here 1 2 3 4 5 fraction, 5 fractions given, no problem. Okay, the process is same. Okay, look here, 6 8 16 24 32, these are the denominators. We will find the LCM of the denominators. So first by 2 3 4 8 12 16, next by 2 3 2 2 4 6 8, by 2 3, look, you cannot divide 3 by 2, that's why this 3 will be here. Next 1 2 3 4, next again by 2 3 1 1 3, and here 2. Now by 3 1 1 1 1 2. So what is LCM? LCM is equal to 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 5 5 3 and 1 3. So that means what? Look here, 4, here 4 4 4 16 16, and here 6 96 is the LCM. So what we will do, we will find the equivalent fractions of these given fractions whose denominator will be 96. Is it clear? Okay, whose denominator will be 96. So my dear student, first write in this way. Okay, so 1 by 6. So first write the fraction 1 by 6. Now by which number you will multiply with 6 and you will get 96. You will get all the denominators will be 96. All the denominators will be 96. So by which number you multiply and you will get 96? Multiply with 6. So you can just divide 96 1 6 3 6 36. So 16. So if you multiply by 16, okay, by 6 you will get 96, and here you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply by 16 to the numerator also. So it will be 16 by 96. Now 8. So by which, by 8 and 96, look, 1 8 1 6 2, that means 12. So by 12, so it will be what? 60 and here 96, here 16, so it will be by 6 16 6 and 96. Okay, so it will be what? Now 24 4s are 96. My dear student, if you can't count the table by in your mind, you can check here. Look here, 24, look here 4 and here 4 here 4 and 6. If you take this 4 and if you take this 6, 24, so which is left? 4. That means you will multiply by 4. You can check this way or you can just do the division. You can just do the division. Okay, so here 28, here 32. Okay, so 32, if you divide 96, what it will be? 3. Obviously it will be 3. So 3 and it will be 33. Okay, now descending order, that means which is the largest? Which is the largest? Look, denominator same, that means larger numerator. Where larger numerator? 78. Where? 78. So 78 by 96 is greater then 60 by 96, then after 60 33 by 96, then 28 by 96, after 28 it is 16 by 96. So that's what the result. Okay, so first write this. Okay, you seeing this now in descending order we get. So this is not given in your question, 78 by 96. Okay, so 78 by 96 is equal with what? 13 by 16. So you have to write 13 by 16. Now 60 by 96. Why is 60 by 96? 60 by 96 is equal to 5 by 8. You have to write 5 by 8. 33 by 96. 33 by 96, that means 11 by 32. So similarly this for 7 by 24 and 16 by this means what? 1 by 6. You have to write in up to this. Okay, up to the given fractions, not here with the equivalent fractions. Okay, so you have to write in up to this. Okay, so I hope that you have understood today's class. Okay, practice all and do the left sums. Okay, thank you.